Good afternoon, dear students. Yesterday we studied change the voice and we studied simple present, simple past, and simple future tenses conversions. Today we are going to learn conversion of past continuous, present continuous, and past perfect tenses. Okay, see, present continuous, past continuous, and past perfect tense. Now listen here, very first, here present continuous tense. These are examples. First, she is waiting for us. Second is he is doing his work. And third is the children are flying kites. Now listen here, these are three sentences. I wrote it on the board. See, first, she is waiting for us. Second, he is doing his work. Third, the children are flying kites. Now I told you in the previous teaching, very first you find out what is subject, then verb, and then object. In the passive voice, object comes at the forefront. It means object becomes a door. In the active voice, subject is a door, and in the passive voice, object becomes a door. Now, it is an object. So, in objective case, it is us. But the same word, it becomes subjective case, then it is we. So, in place of us, we is object and it comes at forefront. We. Then we, it's plural, it is present continuous, so forms of to be, so we are. I told you we use PP. So waiting, it means being waited. We are being waited by, and see, it is a subject, it becomes object, and then it becomes her. So answer is we are being waited by her. We are being waited by her. Now next is he is doing his work. Now he subject, it is work, and his work object. So here his work His work is being done. His work is being done by him. Then third, the children are flying kites. Now you see kites. Here kites. Now kites, it is plural. So here forms of to be are. And flying, it means being flown. Because fly, flew, flown. Kites are being flown by the children. By the children. Okay, dear children, so these are three examples of present progressive. It means present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, now next is past continuous. Past continuous. Now you see here, past continuous tense. Now past continuous, another three examples. He was writing a novel. First. Second is I was not doing my work. I was not doing any work. Then third, you see, the children were playing hockey. Now, these all three sentences are in past continuous. The same subject, verb and object. Object becomes subject. It becomes a door. So here a novel. It is singular. So here was. Writing, it becomes being written. And by him. Now next is I was not doing any work. Any work was not doing, being done. By me. Any work was not being done by me. Now third, you see the children were playing hockey. The children that. Now here hockey. Hockey, it is plural. So here was. Playing, it is being played. And by the children. By the children. So you see here you studied past continuous tense, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay. Now these are three examples of past continuous tense. It is very simple. Just you look at very properly, very attentively you listen it and you can solve it. Now dear children, we have conversion of present continuous tense and past continuous tense, but we cannot convert to future continuous tense. Okay. Now directly we will go for past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Now past perfect tense, you see here, very first we will do present perfect and then we will go for past perfect. Present perfect, you see, he has done his work. Second, they have stolen his cash. And third is he has not helped us. Now these three examples, these all three examples in present perfect tense. Okay. Now you see he has done his work. Now here his work done and he. Now his work, now it is present perfect. So his work, it is singular, so it becomes has been done by him. His work has been done by him. They have stolen his cash. His cash. Now cash singular. So here has been, his cash has been stolen by them. Now third, he has not helped us. Here also an objective case. The subjective case of us is we. So we, and we plural, so here have not been. Helped by him. So these three sentences are in present perfect tense, and conversion of this present perfect tense is he has done his work has been done by him. They have stolen his cash has been stolen by them. He has not helped us, we have not been helped by him. Okay, these are the examples of present perfect tense. Now next we are going to see, that is past perfect tense. You see, dear children, you look at this video, watch it carefully and get understood all these tenses. It is very important, though we teach you separately all these grammar topics, but for examination point of view, integrated grammar and for questions editing, omission, for these questions, these topics, thorough knowledge is very essential. So direct and indirect speech in the last week what was taught to you, then the active and passive voice, that is also very important. So watch these videos carefully and get understood in a better way. Now past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Now you see, the first sentence, he had he had already cooked the food. Second, she had received the parcel. Third, he had not read the letter. It is very simple. You see, he had already cooked the food. The food had already been cooked by him. You see, he had already cooked the food. The food had already been cooked by him. Second, she had received the parcel. The parcel had been received by her. The parcel had been received by her. He had not read the letter. The letter had not been read by him. The letter had not been read by him. So these are three examples of past perfect tense. Okay, now next tense we are going to learn, that is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. You see, dear children, for your understanding only three examples I am writing, but you carefully look at so that you can understand it in a better way. Future perfect tense. You see, he will have received the letter. Second, before you reach there. Second, she will not have watched Okay, now these two examples of future perfect tense. Now you see here, the letter will have been. The letter received by him before you reached there. Reach there. Second, the cloths have not been washed by her by this time. See here, these are two conversions of these two sentences which are in active voice of future perfect tense. Once again I say, he will have received the letter before you reach there. Passive voice of this sentence, the letter will have been received by him before you reach there. Second, she will not have washed the clothes by this time. The clothes will have not been washed by her by this time. Okay, so dear children, so here we studied conversion of tenses. You see, simple past tense, simple present tense, then simple future tense, present progressive tense, past progressive tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Okay? To your note, we cannot have passive voice of these tenses: future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Out of 12 tenses, only 9 tenses conversions we have, and tomorrow we will learn passive voice of assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. So watch this video and get understood active and passive voice in detail. Thank you.